Hello, everyone. On January 18th, join me for a virtual goal setting workshop. My name is Nikki Green, and I am a life and business resiliency expert, and crushing goals is what I do best. Starting at noon Central Time, we're going to spend about 30 minutes going through some exercise to inspire your New Year's goals. And then three lucky and brave people will get their 10 minutes of fame on the virtual stage with me for live coaching and support to get them started on their goals. Already finished with your New Year's resolutions? Don't worry, we can make more. Already given up on your 2023 goals? Don't worry there either. Learning from our missteps can be more powerful than perfect achievement. My name is Nikki Green, and you can connect with me on my personal site, nikkigreen360.com. If you click on the events button, you'll see a link to register for the workshop. There you can also check out my website, listen to my podcast, Stand Up and Stand Out, grab a copy of one of my books, including Chameleon Mindset, the foundation for these exercises. And you can also join the Chameleon Crew, a LinkedIn group, so you can stay up to date on upcoming events and get free resources. You can also follow me on social and see where Nikki is next. Happy New Year, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you on January 18th.